I have bought a massive box of Barbie movie dolls. So the box is this big. It's really heavy. So I know that there's a few Nutcracker dolls and fairies. So here's a little glimpse of what we're getting today. We can already see a Fairytopia Barbie. I'm so excited to open this up and see what we have in here. Some of this stuff I haven't actually seen because the picture was quite blurry, so I'm really excited to see the condition. So let's get straight into it. This is the first doll, Fairytopia Fairy. She's in amazing condition at the moment, but let's take a look closer at her face. She looks amazing. She's so pretty and she's got brown rooted eyelashes and she has these massive wings and her hair is so amazing. She's got braids going around in twists and her hair is super long as well. That screening is just absolutely gorgeous. I love this doll so much. And she's got long tassels coming down. She's amazing. This is the quality of dolls that we used to get before. Look at the details on the legs as well, even though this is molded. It's a very beautiful doll. Next we're going to look at the Barbie version of this doll. She's very similar except she has a blue outfit and her hair is blonde and her hair is so long. I love this hairstyle so much. They're all rooted with saran. So these dolls are I think from the mid 2000s and they're from the Fairytopia line and they're just so amazing. Look at her makeup and her screening, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Also very similar leg design as well, and I love this almost opal colour for her tassels. It's so pretty and their wings are absolutely covered in glitter. As we know, I'm not a massive fan of glitter, so I probably won't be keeping these and I'll pass them on to another collector, but I love this design of this top as well. If I could just keep the top I would, but I want to give them to someone complete so they can be happy with theirs in their collection. We have the Kayla variant of this doll. This is probably my favourite from the line. Her outfit is purple and her hair is a beautiful red colour and she's got twists around her hair. I love this intricate hairstyle. It's so Renaissance sort of era. It's just so gorgeous and I love the tops that they come with. Oh, it's coming off, but yeah, these dolls are absolutely amazing. I love them. Next in the line we have Barbie as Rapunzel. I'm so surprised by the condition of these dolls. They're just so amazing. Obviously the hair is matted, but to me there's no haircuts, there's no chew marks. The dresses are also intact as well, which is amazing. And the glitter is so pretty. Obviously I don't like it personally, but I love the way it sparkles. It's absolutely gorgeous. Her screening is amazing and she comes with a retractable hair, so her hair grows out of this section. I don't like that it's different lengths personally, but she's a very beautiful doll. I absolutely love her, and look at the roses on her dress as well. She's so gorgeous. Next we have a prince. I'm not 100% sure which prince this is. Maybe he's from Swan Lake or possibly Rapunzel. I will try and find a picture of him and put it up. He is literally complete. He's got his boots, his cape. Wow, I'm so surprised with the quality of these dolls. I got this bundle for a really good price as well, so I'm super excited to fix the ones that I want to keep. I will tell you which ones I'm going to keep at the end as well. So he is very interesting, I don't know, he's got that like chiseled jawline, it's funny. It's another prince. I think I prefer this one, like the way he looks, and I like his ruffles on his top and stuff, and the detail that they used to do on this is a playline collection, by the way. The detail that they used to put on the clothes is crazy. Like they sewed all these lace trimmings and the materials are just top quality, and the shoes, we would be getting plastic boots. We wouldn't be getting this pleather sort of material these days, which is crazy. And he has rooted hair and the screening is really nice as well, and there's no pixelation on these dolls. Next we have my favourite from the line, and that is Nutcracker Barbie. So I actually have her sleep attire, so that's why I actually bought this bundle, was to keep this doll, and I'm not going to have her in her ballerina outfit. I'm going to have her in her sleepwear because I've always loved it. I do really love this outfit, and I think she looks amazing. I love the ribbons on her tights and her hair. Look how long her hair is. This is going to look amazing. It's going to be so fun making a video about that and curling it. And I love the little crown as well. She's so pretty. I absolutely love this doll. And look at the details on this ruffling and the sleeves. She's absolutely amazing. What a doll to have in your collection. I can't wait to fix this up. There is a lot of these Kelly dolls in this bundle as well, so I'm going to show you all those, and they all have Kanekalon hair, which is so nice. I'm not going to keep any of these, but they're so sweet. I think they're cute. There is this massive bag as well, which I will go through at the end of the video because there's a lot of stuff in here. And look at these shoes. I absolutely love these shoes, and there's bags of stuff inside of it as well, which is crazy. There's just a little glimpse of what's in here in case you wanted to stay until the end. Next we have this Barbie, who I really like her. I think she's so pretty. I don't usually keep just generic blonde Barbies, but this one's really cool. I like her. She's like, if anyone knows who this is, let me know in the description. And she's got Kanekalon hair, which is my favourite. I love her. She's so cute. So I'm going to put her in my bundle of keeping. And now we have another amazing grail. So this is the Swan Lake Barbie, and this is the Kanekalon hair variant. I think there's also a variant with Saran because I have owned that one before. She has beautiful detailing on her crown, and her dress is just absolutely gorgeous. I love this so much. They did love the glitter in this era of Barbie, didn't they? Because everything is absolutely covered in glitter. She's got her necklace as well, which I can imagine would be quite hard to get. She is so pretty. This screening is absolutely gorgeous. This bundle just keeps going on and on and on because there's so many dolls. This doll is so pretty as well. It's so tempting to keep her, but because she's so complete, it probably makes more sense to just sell her onto another collection. So to sell her onto another collector, sorry. So this one also has Kanekalon, and I know for a fact I've owned the doll that has Saran hair. I've owned this doll before, and she has Saran hair. I'm so tempted to keep this one, and I will restyle her in a different outfit. But look at this amazing dress, and these details of the flowers coming down and the glittery skirt. This doll is absolutely gorgeous. This is my favourite hair colour to have on a doll. It's auburn. I absolutely love auburn hair so much. It's so, like, it reminds me of like Ophelia or a Shakespeare play or a Renaissance painting. I absolutely love the hair colour so much. She's so pretty, and look at her eye colour as well. I love this screening. So this is a Teresa screening, I think, that they used for a lot of the Teresa dolls. So it's interesting to see her with this hair colour. She's so pretty. Also have this, I'm gonna say she's supposed to be a tooth fairy because she has wings. She's giving me tooth fairy vibes. Look at her hair, it's so cute. I like this little ponytail. It's like 60s, you know, like 60s in the diner with the milkshake. That's the sort of hairstyle that this is giving me. The dress is cute. I can imagine this doll being like a super budget doll for the time. Amazing high quality, molded on shoes, but I can imagine this doll being like $9.99 or something, and it's like would be collector quality now these days, and the plastic is so durable and nothing's hollow, none of the plastic's hollow. Like, you can tell that this is a good quality doll. She's so pretty. Next we have another doll that I will be keeping from this line. So this is original Scene Barbie. She's so pretty. She doesn't have her belly chain though, so that's annoying because I absolutely love the belly chain. Her jacket is in amazing condition as well. The leather hasn't peeled. I feel like these dolls have hardly been played with. She does have some remnants of glitter on her, but I will be cleaning that off. Now her trousers are the problem. They do peel because I've had these trousers before. They look like they're in okay condition, but I just have to be super careful when I'm washing them. You can see some of the peeling coming off here. So I'm going to be super careful when I wash these because I have probably made these worse in the past. She's so pretty. Now let's compare her to the original one. This is a winner, 100%. This is the doll that came out at the time. She was competing with Bratz. She's absolutely gorgeous. And look at that hair colour as well. She's so pretty. I love my Scene dolls so much. They're so nostalgic for me. 3 other Shelly dolls. Her outfit's so funny. Yeah, I'm not going to keep these, but I just thought I would show you them as well. This is the Bedtime Barbie, and her body is soft. Well, I might keep her. Sometimes I change my mind, but I think she's cool, and I really love her hair colour. I think if I give this a boil wash and fix her hair up, I think she's going to look really cool. But yeah, I've seen quite a lot of people with this doll in their collection, and she looks so good on the shelves if you have like other box dolls. And she has these really weird feet as well. I don't know why they didn't give her like hard feet from like there, because I think that probably would have looked better, but whatever, because they gave her hard hands. But yeah, I really like the colour palette on this doll. She's like lavender and stars. She's cute. I'll show you another amazing doll. So this is, I believe, Sabrina the Teenage Witch, and she comes with her hat as well. This doll is so cool. I'm not going to keep her, but I love the tassels. Oh, look at these. This is like the reroute, I mean the customization that I did on my witch dolls, and then I put the stars. I really love that. That's not attached to anything. It's not like supposed to do anything. It's just detailing. It's so cute. I love it. She's so pretty. Another Shelly doll. This bundle is just so big. There's so many dolls. I don't recognize this one. Not sure whether to show you the rest of them just because they look like not fakies, but not really interested in them. They're like, I think this is a Cindy doll as well. I really like her hair colour, but her hair's polypropylene. I'll show you them quickly because I'm not really interested in these ones. We have a mermaid Cindy as well, so she's interesting. We have this strange doll, which I have no idea what this is, but yeah. And then we have this fairy doll as well. Never seen this doll in my life. Polypropylene hair, obviously. I love the eye colour. It's almost like a light lavender blue colour. It's very nice. And we have a Cindy ballerina with moulded on shoes. This was a budget doll line at the time, so these dolls used to sell very cheap. I really like this ballerina outfit that she's wearing. And lastly, we have a Cinderella. I don't recognise this one, but she's interesting. Okay, now let's open up this box. So I'm assuming this goes with Cindy. So I'll put that back in the box to go with her. So I wonder what's in this little Barbie pouch. It looks like there's some dresses. That dress is so nice. I really like this one. I think I'm going to keep that. That's so cute. We've got some gloves. I guess these are like princess gloves or something. And a Santa hat. I have no idea who that goes with. I love these shoes, so I'm definitely keeping these. Here we have another Barbie bag. If I can work out how to open it. There we go. So there is so much random Barbie stuff in here. Look at that little photo. That's so random. So what are these shoes? These are cute. I like these. So we've got let me show you what I'm going to keep. What is this? That's so random. There's loads of like animals in this as well. I like these shoes. I'll find the other one. There we go. And there's the other Converse. Oh, this bag is, this little thing is cute. I like that. I wonder who that goes to. I like this hair clip as well. It reminds me of like in Snow White when the witch gives her the brush that like makes her faint or something. I don't know, it gives her a headache and makes her faint. I don't know if anyone's seen that though. Anyway, I'm gonna post another video when I fix these up, but thank you for watching. And so there's all the dolls. So I'm gonna post another video with the ones that I decided to keep. But thanks for watching everyone, bye.